Welcome to the Introduction to iThemes Security tutorial. Today, you'll learn about what iThemes Security is and what it does. The topics covered in today's video are 1. Introduction to iThemes Security, 2. How your website uses iThemes Security, and 3. Understanding the iThemes Security dashboard. Topic 1. Introduction to iThemes Security. iThemes Security is the top security plugin that is offered for the WordPress platform to allow your website to stay secure 24/7. iThemes Security Pro is only installed with advanced website subscription plans. Basic users can upgrade to advanced plans to get iThemes Security Pro features. The security plugin allows for your website to be protected via two-factor authentication and other methods of logging in. The plugin checks your website for security breaches and can configure users to each have different methods of logging in. It reports your website security to you and has a dashboard to display all your security information. Topic 2. How your website uses iThemes Security. Your website uses iThemes Security by protecting it from malicious attacks. It uses authentication methods to protect the login process so your website can only be accessed by you or anyone with login credentials and approved security measures. Once iThemes Security is set up on your website, upon logging in, you'll face an authentication method which you will have to pass before entering your password to enter your website's backend. This greatly reduces the chance of your website being prone to malicious intent. Topic 3. Understanding the iThemes Security dashboard. To view the iThemes Security dashboard, first log in to your website's backend. Navigate to the Security menu tab on the left side of the screen and click it. This will show you a dashboard overview of your security featuring user security profiles, brute force attacks, update summary, site scans, bans overview, lockouts, ban users, and database backups. Each panel in the overview has navigation options to tweak settings. The dashboard can be customized to your liking, so you can see what you'd like to from your security dashboard. You've now been introduced to iThemes Security and learnt about what it is and what it does.